Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, December the 27th, 2024. We have here in this newspaper seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So total of 7 puzzles on a day. Yeah, that's true. That's a lot. That's a lot. All right, the first one, number 9799. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 27. 2 digits more should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with a 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with the 4. There's a lot of 4s. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. Then let me see. Let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. Need a 3. 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Well, how about that? Let me see. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Okay, in this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Need 8 here. Need an 8 here, and I need an 8 there. In this big square, we need an 8. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. We have an 8 in the second column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 8 should be there. Need 8 here. Okay, need 8 there. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in this column. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next. The only place level 8 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have an 8 in the last row. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then need 8 here. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. How about the 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. Yeah. 5, 5, yeah. 5. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 6, 6, 6. No, we already have a 6 here. 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 7, 9, and 2. I'm thinking. 2, 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 9. We have 2 and a 9 in the last row, so no 2 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 6, 6. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 there also. What? No. 7 and a 1. Well. 7. I'm thinking. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Yes. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row. Only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Come on. 1 and the 7. I need the 7s. 7. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 5 here. 5, 2, 7, no, 9. 5, 2, 9, and the 6 is missing. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and a 5. We have a 6 and a 5 in this column, so no 6 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 and the 6, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be 9. This box should be a 7. Alright. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 2, 8, and 6. 6, 6. Okay. In this big square we need a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. Leave the 6, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. So 6 and a 5, we have 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 and 5. 1 and 5, okay. Let me think. In this row, wait, in this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. In this row, we need a 1. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. We see another 1 in the last column, no 1 there. Another 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in this row should be there. So 1 and 5. Okay, and now. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the second column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 and 9, we have 9 now in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 2 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with the 1. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then let me see. 8 and 9. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 to 5. 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 3 goes in there. 3 in this last column. 3 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this middle row for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the third column, but no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Well, told you. Should be faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1-star puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.